Hey y'all, got something good here from Kizer Knives. And what we got here is the Kizer Crocodile. Check it out. Check out those micarta covers. Isn't that sweet? Almost looks like crocodile skin. But texture's really smooth. Got some nice chamfering on the edges. Got a deep carry pocket clip that is reversible. Got flipper tab deployment. Got a couple little jumps up there. Deploys really nice, really sweet. 3.45 inch clip point blade. Feels really good in the hand. Got some nice jimping on the top of the blade there for your thumb. Just melts right in your hand. Got nice pass through to the liner lock. Buttery smooth action. Really nice. The handle is 4.54 inches long, so you get a good 4-finger grip on it. No hot spots. You can choke up on it really nice with pinch grip. Got a nice finger choil right there you can choke up on. Really nice. What do y'all think? Kizer Crocodile. That's a sweet looking knife. I'd like to know your thoughts. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of the Kizer Crocodile. Come this far, I'd appreciate you hit the like button. And if you would, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. It means a whole lot to me. And be sure to turn that notification bell on so you won't miss a thing. And be sure to check out the videos popping up so you see something else here on my channel you might like. Alright? Y'all have a wonderful day, and I appreciate y'all coming. Remember y'all, live life on the edge, stay sharp. Bye now.